Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery cable and waiting 10 minutes so the airbag capacitor fully discharges. This prevents accidental deployment. Next, center the steering wheel and mark the wheel-to-shaft alignment with paint or tape so reinstallation is exact. Then remove the airbag module bolts, keep the module face up, and unplug the connectors gently. Once done, remove the hub nut cover and loosen the main steering shaft nut. But do not fully remove. With the hub nut loosened, you may need a steering wheel puller tool. Attach it to the wheel and evenly draw the wheel off the splines to avoid damaging the clock spring. Once the wheel is off, inspect and transfer or replace the clock spring. Keeping it perfectly centered matters because misalignment will break steering controls. Align the new SRT wheel to the marks you made, slide it onto the splines, and hand thread the hub nut to hold it in place before final torque. Now torque the hub nut to the manufacturer specification using a calibrated torque wrench. This secures the wheel and prevents play. Reconnect the airbag connectors, install the module, and torque its bolts to spec as well. Reconnect the negative battery, then verify steering angle sensor, horn, paddle shifters, and airbag system status. Use a scan tool to clear or read codes. If something is off, recenter the clock spring, inspect connector pins for damage, and recheck alignment marks before driving.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.